Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your speaker DENON ENVAYA with a cable. All you need to have to do in it is just a mini jack to mini jack cable, and of course your phone should have this port also. Now connect mini jack to your phone, and also right here at the right side on the speaker we have aux port. So connect the second one cable right here. After that we should turn on the speaker, so press and hold at the power button, and by default it uses Bluetooth mode, so you should press and hold on aux. And as you can see right here we have a LED light here, so it means that it's connected, and now you can listen to music just with a cable, not with a Bluetooth. That's it, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!